Hello friends, we are on the road again. We are back in the Barajas airport in Madrid to take our flight to New York City. The customs process was super easy. They stamped my passport. There was no line, no entering exit system where they take your biometrics. There was none when I arrived here last week either. So yeah, easy peasy. Check it out. It's the Cibeles VIP lounge in Barajas.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
I will be flying in the lap of luxury, like the princess that I am. I deserve it, actually. You know what? The Camino was tough. My whole body still hurts. And you know what? I'd do it 100 times again. 100 times. That's our bird. So today I'm in 1D, always at the front. Here we go. We've got slippers. This is a duvet. No, this is the duvet. This is a cover, like a comforter. Amenity kit, headphones, water, safety stuff, light controls, entertainment system, and lots of space. On this seat, I don't have the most privacy because this table is to my right on the window side, and this is quite open. I don't have a door, but it's a lie flat seat. I am not going to complain. Oh, the smell is so good. It's fish and rice, some tomatoes and broccoli.